If you are looking for to sign and install IPA Files on iPhone or iPad permanently, this video is the right place. As you can see, I can install IPA Files directly without using a certificate. Just click the plus button and the IPA Files will automatically be installed and can be run unlimited and without revoke using live containers. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First of all, you need a computer to install live containers using altstore or sidestore. If you want to install live containers using sidestore, you can watch on this video, but in this video I will share a guide to install live containers using altstore. Download and install altstore on your computer. It is available on Windows and Mac. This is free 100%, so you don't need to pay anything for this. After installing altstore, make sure you have installed iCloud or iTunes on your computer. After that, type altserver into the Windows search bar. Right-click altserver, click Run as administrator, and then click Yes. Click the altserver icon and select Install altstore on the right corner. Then insert your Apple ID and password to install altstore on your iDevice. Then altstore will automatically installed. Click altstore icon, then verify it on Settings, General, VPN and Device Management. Then click Trust altstore. And now, altstore is ready to use. You can open altstore and install IPA Files. As you know, altstore can only install IPA Files for only 3 apps. To install unlimited apps, you can install a live container. Please search and download live containers. You can see the download link in the description. After that, click the plus button and add the IPA live container. And don't forget to log into your Apple ID before using altstore. After that, live containers will automatically installed on your device. To install IPA Files permanently with live containers, please open the live containers, then go to Settings, click Patch altstore, and keep in Extensions. Wait a few moments while live containers patches altstore so you can install IPA Files without limits and permanently. After altstore force closes, that means live containers are ready for use. Then you can use IPA Files and install them without limits and without certificates. As long as the live containers are still installed, you can freely install any IPA with this tool without a certificate. For example, I installed these 3 IPA Files on my device. Once installed, click Run to run the app. As you can see, the IPA was successfully installed and run easily. If you want to open another app, you can close the live container first, then open it again. For your information, this altstore and live container can only be run for 7 days. If you want to reset it back to 7 days, you can click Refresh All. Make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi as your computer. Or you can also connect to a computer with a USB cable to reset the 7 days. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you need help, leave your comment below so I will guide you to install live containers on your iPhone or iPad. See you on the next tutorial.